Okay, time to take a look at the DOMINOX drain cleaner. So we got our charger, and it says it's good for 100 to 240 volts, so it's good for international or domestic. It outputs 1.5 amps at 21.5 volts. And here's our battery. It is an 18-volt lithium ion, has a standard clip style, and has an indicator on the front, and it looks like it comes with 2 bars of charge. We got our instructions. And we got the tool. So it looks like a fairly standard auger. The biggest difference is that it is battery powered, so we don't have to use a drill or anything like that. Everything is already contained inside. So on the drum we do have a plug, so in the event that this ever gets any water contaminated inside of it, we can still drain that out. So I like seeing that. We got forward and reverse. We have our trigger, and then right here we got our drive select. So we got forward, we got neutral, and then we got reverse. So in neutral, we can just pull this thing out by hand. Then if I put that in forward, it has a nice tough feel to it as well. I like that. But as it spins, it will slowly push that auger forward. Very cool. So right now I have this on forward, so this spiral is going to twist clockwise. So that will grab onto whatever might be in the drain, and then the simple action moving that forward and backward will be what actually draws it out. There's a nice quick speed to it too. I really like that. So if we want to, we can reverse it. And that way if there's a bunch of stuff jammed on it, we can easily just grab that and spin that off. So good stuff. So the way we snake a tub is we got to go through the overflow, which is usually right here. Sometimes you got to pull off a couple screws to get to it. I'm going to start with this in neutral. I'm just going to pull some out basically so we can get to the bottom of the tub. The goal is we want to get to the P-trap that's just underneath it. So I've got this amount. I'm going to put it in forward. And the water runs is clockwise, so I can actually grab on. So I'm going to run that forward. And I've got it set to feed. So now I'm just going to pull the trigger. And by moving that in and out a little bit, that can help it to grab onto something that it didn't get on the first pass. So now at this point, you can either run it backwards, or you can just pull the thing out. There we go. There wasn't anything on there because it wasn't clogged, but that is how you would use this tool. And this is a pretty awesome tool. It's got everything on it, so I'm very happy with that. Cool.